Riu gutire undu tangaja ati mubango wa guthamiria makiria ya arutani 400,000 rungu rwa kiama kia KNUT, KUPPET na KUSNET mubango-ini wa motungata wa SHA ni ukinyanire. Giikaro kia umuthi gatagati ga kamiti ya kwandika wira Arutani TSC ruhonge rwa SHA hamwe na ciama ici ni kinyihirie urugari uria ukoretwo githegea mena yothe ikiguithaniria gutashukia ikinya riri thiko nini tu mbere ya kandarathi ya kambuni ya Minet iria ikoretwo ikiheana motungata ma urigitani kuri arutani kuinikirira.
What we've agreed is that we are transitioning to SHA with effect from 1st of December 2025. As you are aware, the medical scheme for teachers under Minet is coming to an end on 30th of November.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia KNUT Collins Oyu, mubango uyu uri na kiguni kinene ukiringithania na motungata maria maramukagira hau kabere. Uge uria ukindiritwo ni mwandiki munene wa kiama gia KUPPET Akelo Misori.
Looking at what has been put across to us, indeed, the key factor here is that this scheme is going to improve much more what we had earlier.
It is different from the statutory contribution that many people have been talking about. This is a comprehensive cover which exclusively covers the teachers.
Hamwe na maundu maria magacirithitio rungu rwa mubango uyu ni kuongererwo kwa namba ya mathibitari kuria arutani magicaria motungata ma urigitani kuma thibitari 800 nginyagia thibitari itanyihiire 9,000. Murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa SHA Mwangangi agitariria ikiro cia thibitari iria iri ithabu-ini riri.
One clear benefit is that the former scheme catered for children, and now we shall have 5, an additional 1. Okay, the turnaround time for operations could not be very definite, but we've been told here it is 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Yeah.
So we will actually have an expanded network of providers. This will be much improved from the current offering that Aon Minet has.
Ona kuhanoro uguo ciama ici ciugite kwirirwo ti kunengerwo makiuga watho ni witikiritie gugacokia makinya thutha angikorwo thirikari ndigukinyaniria wiguano uyu na kugacirithia motungata ma urigitani kuri arutani.
We are very keen on what shall happen if things don't work well. I want to assure our members that this scheme has a very clear cancellation clause that calls for a notice to be given within 30 days. I think I'm right. And then cancellation can come in 3 months.
Haruine ha KAMITII ve jitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.